In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this 3D character with Blender. I have imported this image as reference. I'll share the download location in the description below. This is how we can import a reference image. Let's create a cube, scale it, and add multiple loop cuts by pressing Ctrl+R in edit mode. In vertex selection mode, select and scale edge loops. Please do this in wireframe mode after pressing Shift+Z as in zebra. Let's subdivide the mesh, adjust the edge loops more to match the reference image, and smooth the surface. The feet meshes can be created by using a scaled and subdivided cube. The arms can be created by using a curve point. Please activate an add-on called Extra Objects if the curve point can't be found. Let's import a facial feature image as plane, and shrink-wrap it to the mesh. If you don't see the image as plane in the menu, please activate this add-on. Please remember to subdivide the image plane at least 50 times. Please move the image plane as closely to the mesh as possible. The wrap method needs to be target normal project. Before joining the meshes, please remember to apply the modifiers. Here are the ground material details. I have used the sky texture with cycles. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.